Hi guys, bit of an update on the Torana. She's looking pretty good so far. Had all of the engine bay finely detailed by a good mate of mine. She's looking pretty swish, nice and shiny. The brake lines all done in stainless. Also a good friend of mine. Got all of the old add-ons back on the new motor. This is the original 173 72cc YellaTerra head. In prep, run the motor in at the moment in prep for when the Supercharger kit's all finished. But she's looking pretty good. On the inside, I've done some gauges. Keep an eye on the vitals. So down the console, finished up these today. Oil pressure, water temperature. There's also air fuel mixture gauge in the centre there, which will go to a wideband sensor and eventually plug into the ECU for the Supercharger kit. Even put a RPM gauge in there, tacho, into the original dash. It's looking good.